The fifth and the final question will be focused on basically networking. And this is a drill down question where I want us to talk about VPCs first and then talk about subnets and then routing, for example, because we really need to know networking at a really high level, but also a deep level as well. Now, once again, it all comes down to trying to gauge the experience of that potential cloud architect or cloud engineer, let's say. Now, the first part of the question would be, can you tell me about why we need a VPC? And what is it? Well, generally, again, we know a VPC is really very similarly like a sandbox we're going to deploy with resources in it. It allows us to create subnets as part of, again, our network disbursement. So basically, again, one of the things that we want to do is set up, of course, a virtual private cloud. And as part of that VPC, we want to be able to establish connection to, of course, on-prem in most cases, of course. And that allows us to interact with our corporate network to the AWS VPC. Another thing I'd like to talk about typically is around subnets. And I want to grasp sort of the understanding around subnets, why we need them, why we would use them. Basically, again, subnets are what? They're focused on basically allowing us to create basically a network with, let's say, our hosts and provision them in a manner that allows us to control and scale at the same time. So, for example, that's why we're going to divide the network into basically a subnet. That's really the high-level purpose, right?